Place points, lines and elevation can be used in a variety of ways. It allows you to place points in a topography. These new points can be placed relative to the surface with a height offset or placed with an absolute elevation. In this example, you can see the points that lie outside the outer edges of a floor in the topography placed. This is to ensure that continued changes in the surface should not change more of the surface than necessary. In the second example, we will align the topo surface to the bottom of the floor slab edges. Go to the section view and start Align Topo and choose the Element Bottom function. Then click on the Floor Slab Edges and then click Finish to execute the changes you have made. You can now see that the topo surface has been aligned with the edges of the floor. As you can see, we have only changed the topo surface within our newly created topography points.